Hello YouTube and welcome to my tutorial on how to remove digital signatures using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So to start off, you just want to open up your file that has a digital signature. And as you can see here, it's going to say at least one signature has problems. When this error message comes up, all you're going to want to do is go to PDF Standards and then click Remove Pre-Flight Audit Trail. And then that's going to get rid of the blue bar up at the top. From what I can tell, having that issue there doesn't do anything. It doesn't cause any issues while reading the document, but it can be a little annoying having that blue bar up at the top there. So yeah, you just want to click on that and then hit Control S to save the document. Save it wherever you want. Wait for it to save there. And there you go. So now if you open up the document again, no digital signature error message. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and look out for the next one. Thanks.